morning, friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I have so much stuff to do and I thought I'd take you along with me. I have to the house is clean, but it needs to be tidied. I need to put some clean sheets on my bed, tidy up the upstairs, and then I'm going to go downstairs and tidy up downstairs and all that stuff. And I thought I'd take you along with me of a full day of cleaning type of video, more like tidying up. So I made myself a list of to-dos that I want to get through, and I hope to check them all off by the end of the day. So here is my list. So I'm going to start with these things right now, and then I'm gonna do these a little bit later.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. I bet you'll come around, but don't get me wrong.
As you saw, this mudroom got a little bit out of hand and it needed some deep cleaning. However, I did not have enough time today to do the full deep cleaning, so I just gave it a decent tidying and a wipe down, and I intend to deep clean it on the closer to the weekend. I clean my house every Thursday and Friday, and I do my morning routine where I tidy up everything on every morning, but on weekends I do find that I slack off, and then by Monday I feel like my house could use another deep cleaning. So I try to tidy it up, and I vacuum my upstairs actually 3 times a week, because the dogs do come upstairs and sometimes even sleep in our bedroom or in our bathroom, so there's tons of hair all the time, and I fill up that vacuum cleaner. I have to empty it twice usually every time I vacuum, because, well, the little basket is small, but at the same time the dogs do bring up a lot of dirt as well as a lot of hair. You know, sometimes don't realize all the mess that these dogs cause. Life of having 2 giant breed dogs, I tell ya.
Baby, for love, go all for love. We're going for love, for beating hearts off the charts. Love, go all for love. We're going for love, baby, going for love, baby, for love. Take it to the big scene, take it all. Go for hope and glory, for beating hearts off the charts. Take it to the big scene, take it all. Go for hope and glory, for beating hearts off the charts. I bet you'll come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do, baby, for love. Go all for love. We're going for love, for beating hearts off the charts. Love, go all for love. We're going for love, baby, going for love, baby, for love, for beating hearts, for the loving, for the beating hearts, for the beating hearts, for the loving, for the beating hearts, for the beating hearts, for the loving, for the beating hearts.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us.
If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I am so glad that you decided to press that play button and stuck around watching this video. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing that notification bell, joining my YouTube family. I do tons of cleaning and decorating and organizing on this channel, so I hope that you can find something that inspires you and keeps you motivated. So don't forget to press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of these motivational videos when they do come out.
Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold once felt. I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on the dizzying heights.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no.
So I had finished my room,
Really thought we had it
hallway,
covered.
the bathroom is all nice and tidy, so I can check all that off.
But didn't know it'd be so hard.
And then I have the downstairs left, but I actually have to go and do some work. Look how gross this table is. I really need to redo it.
baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I love you the most. No, I thought I should let you know that now, no, it's no more, no, it's no more.
While my dog went to the groomer and I took him, I ran my Shark robot cleaner to vacuum up the floor. I intended to vacuum the floor myself because I find this thing doesn't do that good of a job, but I did run out of time a little bit, so I ran it and then I had my kids wash the floor. Well, I hope you enjoyed this motivational video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you consider subscribing and pressing that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads.